Dogs have remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive in various climates. For instance, the Siberian Husky's thick double coat not only insulates against extreme cold, but also protects against wind. In contrast, breeds like the Basenji are suited for hot climates with their short coats and ability to regulate body temperature efficiently. Additionally, dogs have a specialized cooling system. Panting helps them evaporate moisture, keeping their body temperature in check. These adaptations showcase their resilience and versatility. With over 340 breeds worldwide, each one brings unique features that help them survive and flourish. Does your dog have special traits for their environment?